Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to Learning for Kids. Let's learn some colors. Brown color, black color, yellow color, purple color, pink color, light green color, green color, pink color, red color, sky blue color, orange color and green color. Let's draw the alphabets. A. Brown color. B. Black color. C. Light pink color. D. Orange color. E. Yellow color. F. Red color. G. Sky blue color. H. Purple color. I. Pink color. J. Thick green color. K. Green color. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. Yes. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, bye kids. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye kids.